Okay, so today we are going to send a private message to a student. So we have on here two of my wonderful students, Michelle and Mike, and we are going to send a private message. So the first thing is, I think it's really important to set up in advance, just so that just so that the teacher can see essentially what's happening in their classroom. It's really great to have the chat open, right? And it's also really great to have participants open. So you can see it splits the screen between the participants and the chat. So now I can see who's in my class, and I can see right here it says everyone in my chat. So this is the chat part, and this is the participants part. And I can see who has been muted and who has their camera on as well. And so if I wanted to say, hey everyone, I'd love to see your wonderful faces. And yes, there should be a comma there. Then I can send that out to everyone, right? But if I just want to talk to, Michelle got the message. So we'll send this one to Scott. We'll say, I miss you. It would be great to see your wonderful face. I can then send that just to Mike. So you can see right here, I chose Mike. If I want to send something to just Michelle, I can do that as well. And right here it says that I've sent a message to Mike privately, and he got the message. That's wonderful. Okay? And so now you're able to do that individually. And I can send one to Michelle, I can send one to Mike, or I can send one to